accomplishing your goals. And you know what I done figured out, fam? The main thing to accomplish any goal you want to accomplish in life, you have to remove all doubt. All doubt. You know how sometimes you might believe you can do something, but in the back of your mind, you'll find a negative even within yourself. You're like, I don't know if I can do this, or I don't know how I'm gonna come up with this amount of money. And instead of you looking for a solution, you instantly start looking for problems in whatever the goal is, and it tends to make the goal last a little longer, or you'll be stagnated or give up on it. So, you know, I done figured out that you literally have to remove all doubt. You know, that's why it's important when it says the faith of a mustard seed. Your faith can be that small, and you can do great things, but you have to remove all the doubt though. If you doubt it at all, you know, it's kind of like a double-minded man. It's unstable in all his ways. It's like looking in the mirror and you seeing who you are, then you walk away and you forget, you know. So you literally have to remove the doubt, know who you are, and stand on it. And when you make that sacrifice, just remember, you're gonna have to do something. You know, it's cool to think something just gonna fall in your lap, you know, but 9 times out of 10, you're gonna have to take some type of initiative to bring this thing to pass. So, you know, remove all doubt and be willing to take some initiative. Be willing to do whatever it takes. Be willing to get your hog on, fam, because that's the only way you're gonna accomplish your goals. The only way you're gonna do great things. And if you want to get in a position of someone that you might be looking up to, in order for you to even get there, you're gonna have to be willing to do what they did. Or it might be a little bit more complicated for you because they might have some help getting there and you ain't got no help to get there. You know what I mean? So just keep that in mind, fam. You know, but most definitely, you know, I was just thinking on this trip that, you know, you just have to remove all fear. Fear is going to keep you from accomplishing anything. Don't be afraid of it. Just because you don't know something doesn't mean you need to be afraid of it because you don't know it. Like when you learn a new skill, or you learn a new trade, or you start a new business, or you're doing a new craft, you know, just because you don't know all the ins and outs doesn't mean you have to be afraid. So just keep that in mind, fam. And if I have to say anything, remove all doubt. Hold on.